run outside and look.
Quick, run out there.
Run out to the wood pile.
No.
Quick, Devin.
You must not want anything else, though.
I do.
You gotta run outside.
Come here. Run out there, quick.
God.
No. Oh, quick. It might be out on the deck.
Ah! It's a bike.
A bike?
Oh my God! One for me too.
No way.
Come on.
Would you open the curtains?
Those
So
are
they don't
big
get
bikes.
stretched.
Here we go.
Jay, why don't you open the curtains so they don't get stretched?
Come on out, Brooke.
No.
Why?
Because my feet.
What are you, a wimp? Or a girl?
Cool.
I'm a girl.
That bike's too big for
You
Devin.
mean girls are wimps?
That's a real bike.
Bring
That's
one
a
in,
BMX
honey.
bike. Huh?
Devin, bring them
Here,
in.
bring the bikes in here. Quick, hurry up. We're letting all the
Yeah,
heat
bring
out.
them in. You gotta lift up the stand.
You got a kickstand on it, son.
We'll lift it up.
That's a serious bike, Devin.
Devin, can you get the other one, honey, please?
Devin, you gotta put
Devin?
the stand up.
Like a mountain bike.
Come on, son.
Mountain bike.
Bring it here. Just bring it over here. Son, bring me the bike. Boy, Santa Claus wouldn't have given you this if you had known you were such a
You
wimp.
could take your old one to Goodwill and maybe some other little girl would enjoy it.
Wow. Look at these.
Those are nice.
You guys need to try these out and see how they work for you.
Mine's bigger. Mine's snow all over mine. Daddy, hold this up for me.
Huh? Keep your feet reach the pedals.
Puffies.
You know what we're going to have to
Puffies
do?
are nice
We're going to
brands,
have to
aren't
lower the seat down so
Yeah.
you can reach it better.
I need to get off.
This is a big
That's so you can ride in the mountains.
they? Where are those nice?
mountain.
Haha.
Cool. Okay, ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go.
There's snow right over top of us.
It's snowing right now.
Right there.
Haha.
Looks like it's little. Coming
Cool.
down. Small flakes. You see it?
Ready, set, go.
Look how big that one is.
That's cool.
Love
I can Twizzy learn.
it. Twizzy
You guys got a lot of candy. I can't believe all the candy you got. That's enough to last you for about a year.
Gosh.
If you guys want to give me the bag and throw your garbage to me,
one more.
and I'll stick it in the bag.
Okay.
That'll make things easier.
Can I open it?
Go. Tear into it. Who's gonna be first?
Animal
Uh-oh.
cookies.
Oh, Brooke beat you. See if it's the same.
When I was a kid, I used to love the Stock Shoot Festival. I don't know why. So exciting.
What's this?
Cool. It's a white bear. No, it's this a white bear.
You see, Brooke?
Devin, open yours. Wait, Brooke. Wait on your brother. Wait on your brother, I
I
said.
know.
Okay, thanks.
What's taking so long?
Ooh. You guys like those, huh? Wait a minute, Brooke.
My store is stuck.
Stored is stuck.
Stuck.
Where does it go?
This one's right. Gum.
Oh my gosh, you guys got too much candy.
Bubble gum?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to.
What
get
kind
you
of
a
bubble
face
gum is
guard.
that?
Here you go, Uncle Aaron.
We're gonna have to get you a face guard to keep it in your mouth.
Luke, put it in.
Hey.
Put it in Luke.
Brooke, what kind of bubble gum is that?
Bubblicious. Strawberry Splash, Kiwi Tropical Tango, and Bubble Gum.
Hello? Cinder. Cool. I think you guys need to make your piles, though, somewhere else.
Betsy, if you want to remain my friend.
You need to move your
I'm
piles.
taking this tree.
There's only one place you should make your piles.
Right here. Mine's right there.
Cinder found her spot.
Now what presents do we open?
Yeah, you're supposed to go first.
Look.
Ooh, hair stuff.
Hey, Devin, go.
Boy, Devin, I hope you got some of that too, honey.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that would be fun.
Uncle Aaron, I'll get it in a coop.
Down just a little bit. Aaron, you go to the volume on
It's a
the TV.
coloring book.
You have the book over there? Turn
What
it.
kind?
Brooke Henry's
What
favorite.
kind?
Libro de primeras palabras.
It's Spanish.
Let me read it, Devin. Wait a minute. Why is Santa Claus giving you Spanish books? What's it say? Libro is book, or yeah, book. Let me read it. Book of book of first words.
First.
Book of first words.
You don't need that.
I guess that's so you can learn how to speak Spanish.
I want to learn.
All right, soy el jefe.
I'm gonna make it in the coop.
Put it in here.
Wait,
Well, you guys need to work on your basketball skills.
I can't help it.
You didn't even get
What did you
them,
get?
Devin.
Oh, Brooke got hair stuff.
Uncle Derek can teach you how to play basketball.
Who's that for?
Brooke,
Okay, get one for your brother too. Hold on to.
Devin.
Okay, you open yours first. I'll just open them at the same time this time.
See
Right
here
into
this
it.
way.
Tear into it, Devin.
Right.
Yeah,
Right
go
now?
ahead. Sure, go ahead.
Wait, stop. Robin!
What is it?
Robin and Robin!
Ooh,
What?
who's
What?
that?
What?
What is
Is
that?
that Mr.
Posters to
Freeze?
color.
Uh-huh.
It is?
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
I've seen the movie.
You have?
Uh-huh.
I think
Uncle
that's too
Derek, he's
scary.
behind you.
I think that's too scary for you. I don't think you
It's
should
a
have that.
coloring book. It's not scary if it's a coloring book. Come on.
What'd you get, bro?
Say
Batman.
hi.